Oh, hey! I didn't see you guys there. Just going over a few index cards. Might as well just tell you guys what's on them. Here we go. Hi. My name is Eric Wofford. People think I'm perfect, but I have faults. For instance, I forgot that faults had an S on the end of it, so I had to go back and do that. Another fault is when I'm fooling around with my girlfriend. We will indulge in foreplay. She will tell me to tease her while we're doing it, so I take the cheeseburger away from her. But I love her, and she loves food play. I hate when I see a fat bitch carrying shots. It's like they don't need them. Every other guy in that bar does. I have a confession. Shopping. Oh, that's just a list of groceries. Let's move on now. I was raped once. Oh, I was raped once by a clown. It was kind of a laughing matter, actually. Ironically, because of that, I'm afraid of latex animals, but not clowns. Clowns are my friends. I think the word wiener is really funny. I don't like gay people. Just kidding. Just kidding. But if they talk to me, I'd punch them in the face. Not kidding. Just kidding. No, not kidding. Not kidding. Okay, I'm kidding. All I truly want in life is a woman to let me take her to the movie and be nice enough to let me poke a hole in the popcorn bucket for my wiener. Always remember, broveries before ovaries, and the Alamo. I've always wondered if little kids have a lot of fun, well, do pedophiles have a little fun? It scares me to shower after other men. Because you and I both know that bar of soap was totally in their butt cheeks. Swiping that soap like a credit card. Right between those butt cheeks. Up and down. Up and down. There. Butt cheeks. Priceless. Good news, everyone. I've met the love of my life lately. And got us with beautiful golden hair. Hair as gold as my urine after taking a multivitamin. I hate when you invite a beautiful girl over for the JJ coitus, sex, and she tells you she has to pee after you just got done taking a poop. Oof. Other words for vagina. Hoo-hoo, putty-tat, coochie, snatch, beaver, muff, triangle, kitty, mantrap, snapper, furburgers, cuckoo, box, poontang, vertical taco, pun-pun, cookie, sloppy joe, and cardinal treasures. Honeypot, bits and pieces, yum-yum goodies, nana, la-la, love oasis, bajinga, her business, lady garden, glam sugar, and fam-fam. Fam-fam. Other words for penis. Wiener. Wiener. This one is actually a drawing. My mom put this on her fridge for me. I'm very proud of it. So, we just get that in there. Okay, yeah. Yay feminism, everyone. Yay feminism. hate when I get spam mail. I really hate it when I get spam mail for penis enlargement. How the hell do they know? Okay. You guys would like to just subscribe to my YouTube. www.youtube.com/users/Eric Wofford. And when you subscribe there, maybe you can tell me where to get penis enlargement pills. Oh, hey.
Hey, I'm here for the JJ coitus.